I got 3 cameras with me. Actually, I got 4. My smartphone as well. Don't you just love a coloring book to make all the colors you like? So here we got some colors happening. Hey, I'm Fish. Man, I just went towards the lower gear, meaning the higher one, down to 3. Hey, I'm Fish. I just adjusted down to the higher gear, just a hint. And I'm gonna keep on going that way till I get no more clicking. Finally, done a nice job. Stuck out the front and around. Every day, when I use my camera, it thinks more and more of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And that's where I'm gonna be heading. But I'm not happy. Did I just slip into the gear? Yeah. I gotta go switch over. Up from the dark to the bright, back to the dark. I don't love red anymore. The wind is kicking me, and I got my bike underneath, so don't fall off over here. I'm gonna be moseying along. I'm just gonna pick another spot. That's just like a haunted pear, constant wind blowing. I don't feel the wind blowing on me now, so let's get on going. Finally, a foundation is laid. There we go. Just a dirty window, but no poles. I wound my gears to the lower gears. I just wound them up, and it seems to be a lot better. The wind just followed me. You ever see a swan hunchback like that in the front? You ever see a swan hunchback like that in the front? We have the Action 5 Pro and the Action 4. And this is a shot of Mr. Swan getting up nice and close. And the reasons why they come up close, because we all feed them and they become friendly. I wish I had a third hand so I could put the GoPro on. We have the Action 5 and the GoPro. And I'm just walking away. Want to go follow Mr. Swan? Let's go follow Mr. Swan. As he keeps an eye on you. I'm here with 3 cameras on, and the sun, where we're pointing at. Hopefully I'm in the right resolution. I put back the camera a little further, rather be close up on me. And that's what I hear from an influencer, James Loxon, says, if you have an Ace Pro 2 and hold it close by, you're not fully focused. And the Action 5 Pro is. He believes the Action 5 Pro is for him, and we have to choose for ourselves. Guy's a great guy. I'm not picking on him. If I pick on you, it means I like you a lot. Great guy, did a great job. Watch this video of the comparison. And I totally agree with what he's saying. But I don't have an Ace Pro 2 to determine that for me. But I have an Action 4 and an Action 5 Pro. And I know the Mic 2 with the Action 4, not great. It takes a little longer time to start up. And the Action 5 Pro is consistent. It's a lot faster to start up. And I like the interface and all, but I don't love its color. Not many people. Here I am with a beautiful sky, and I get a better color out of the Action 4 if asked. And I could take the LUTs and do D-Log M and put Action 5 Pro, Action 4, or Action 3. They're all the same LUTs. Try to get a better color. I could, go into D-Log M and just do my whole video and then color it. I'm not into that. I think I went back to the Action 4 at the meantime, but eventually I'll just pick up the Action 5 and continue on. I don't want to switch on over because everybody else out there is switching over to the Ace Pro 2. That seems to work for them. Well, I don't love the DJI logo trumpets that, hey, look, that's a DJI camera you use. I can't fool you unless I don't have any trumpets in my video. Gig user. Be on this one wheel shortly. Yeah, man, I tell you, I shot with the sun in front of me. Now I'm shooting with the sun in the back of me. And this is my thinking out loud. I'm going to take my funds and get an Ace Pro 2. And if I don't like it, off it goes. Back it goes. But not today, not tomorrow. Maybe down the road. One wheels are the way to go. I see another one wheel behind the camera. I'm going to put away the Action 5 Pro. I got plenty of shots for you. You got a nice color of the sky, blue, white. Now, people say you could turn off HDR if you fool around with the camera settings and all. And I can't remember those settings what we turn off to get rid of it. Well, I like keeping my EV value down low. Well, I am going to be moving forward than worrying about things. And on that note, time for me to put one camera away and just vlog with the rest of it for today. Oh, what did I do with my GoPro? What did I do with my GoPro? That's how I'm shooting my video. I use my GoPro as a stand because I don't have the other adapter with me. And yeah, Action 5 Pro, it's going on the front of the bicycle. The GoPro does a great job during the day. Man, I tell you, neat indeed. So what I am going to go do is just continue to use the DJI Mic 2 and the Action 4 and mosey along. Since the bike fell, this is the part that may be just damaged right here. And something's just not sitting right because I adjusted this so many times. I know I need to not adjust these because if I start to play around with them, then I'm not going to get what I want. So this kind of bent. So I'm not sure if I need to try to figure out how to rebend it back. Let's get up the little hill. I'm in gear number 3. I'm not clicking right now. Time for me to wrap this bad boy up and call it a day. See you on the next one.